Hi folks, welcome to the May edition of Clear Realty Inside View. I'm joined again this month by Alan Elliott, our branch manager for Remuera. Alan, welcome along again.
Yeah, thank you, Andrew.
No worries. So Al, we've seen May come and go. What happened in the market last month?
Well, we've had another good month at Clear Realty, Andrew, but I should say not just the May month, certainly the last quarter, we've seen some very good sales results there. And in terms with the same quarter last year, definitely there's been some growth there in the marketplace.
Fantastic. Yeah. Very good. It's always a question to ask, is there any sort of key market intelligence we can draw out of what's happened in the last month or going forward?
I think, Andrew, there seems to be investors returning to the market and good inquiry from first home buyers, and I think that's been brought about by the affordability at the moment. Interest rates are stable and rental yields are increasing, so I think that's a little bit of a double-edged sword. I think that's impacting on that buyer affordability. As rents go up, first home buyers are looking to get out there in the market and own their own properties.
And I know you're talking about mortgage rates and things like that, interest rates and affordability. What do you think the impact is on the OCR staying at 2.5% for potential buyers out there or vendors?
Yeah. I think that's great news with the OCR rate staying like that. It's certainly in the short to medium term giving some stability to interest rates. And we're starting to see the banks starting to compete for consumer business again, which that's got to be great news for first home buyers in general.
Fantastic. Another question for you, Alan. One that's actually been asked a lot at the open homes at the moment, should vendors be selling now or selling in spring?
Well, certainly if I was a vendor right now, I'd be wanting to take advantage of the current market conditions. Strong buyer inquiry, confidence from the buyers. I guess talking to some vendors, what puts a little bit of doubt in their mind is if I sell my property, will I be able to find something to buy? And my advice would be to them, look, get on the market, get your property sold, take advantage of the auction terms and conditions of sale, and if you need a longer settlement there, you can take a longer settlement, take perhaps up to 3 months. That will put you in a strong position, having sold, you know exactly how much cash you've got, and it'll give you a little bit of time to find a replacement, and when you find the right one, you can go in with a strong one.
Fantastic. Good advice there, Alan. Now, for anyone that's watching this, the month ahead, what are we expecting? What should we be looking for? What do you sort of see happening?
Well, we're coming into winter. I don't think the market will soften off like it did last winter. There's plenty of evidence that vendors are still coming to the market and taking advantage of these good buying times, and the buyers, they're out there. So I don't think we'll go into a hibernated market like we did last winter. I think we're going to see real growth in the market over winter. It's certainly in terms of volume sales anyway.
Well, if vendors are, and that's a good point you make, Alan, if vendors are looking to get on the market, what are the things that they should be looking for in an agent to deliver, prior to spring?
Yeah. My advice would be have a look around, look for an agent or an agency that are producing consistent good results, that have got a proven track record with their marketing of properties and are getting premium results for their sellers. Find an agent or an agency with that proven track record in your area.
Fantastic. Folks, thanks for taking the time to watch our May catch up on the market, our inside view. Feel free, if you'd like to find out any more about sales in our area, you can sign up at our website www.clearrealty.com/contact, and we'd be happy to send you out that information. Until next time, we look forward to seeing you then.